Okay, we're outside of an AA meeting, and we're going to ask one of the members, what do you get from being a member of this organization?
Alcoholics Anonymous. Let me see. Ruined career, lost my wife, my son, everything that I own in the world, and wished I was dead, and humiliated myself in front of everyone after being a very high executive in the career I was in. Okay, now, I'm healthy. I'm 22 years sober. My son is grown, and I love him. And I'm married, and I used to put him to bed and take him to games, and I've been sober for all these years, not because I have any willpower, but because of Alcoholics Anonymous. All of us take care of each other, through thick and thin,
Nice.
and we've made it.
Thank
Let
you.
me see, what have I gotten out of Alcoholics Anonymous? I don't have enough time to tell you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.